I think I need a new wire brush. Anyway, like I said, burned through in a couple of spots. Of course, that was the thinnest edge of the tubing. And I'm probably going to make another pass on those, but that's it for the moment. Actually, I think I'm going to take a break, run down to the store, get me a not totally worn out wire wheel for my grinder. I'll be back. Well, I'm back from the store. Got me a free hot dog. And, sorry about that. Good dogs. Got me a new wire wheel. Go on my grinder. I almost bought me a new cup, but I didn't like what they had. This one is definitely worn out, although I could probably get a few more millimeters use out of it. But I did see something really interesting. It is a Diablo Steel Demon corner edge, and it's specifically for welding. So I figured I'd buy one and see how it works, because I'd really like to clean up the inside corners. But anyway, let me finish stuffing my face and back to cleaning and welding. Okay, now for the next attempt. Alright, this one's going to be real interesting because I've got that gap to fill. So I have no idea how this is going to work. I've managed to fill gaps doing TIG before, but never. Come on. my stick is rather difficult. If not, darn near impossible. Oh well. Once I get enough in there, I can grind it down and run another bead. That's about the ugliest weld I've ever done. I'm eating up more of them, making the gap even bigger. Let me back down just a hair. Let's go back over here to this side. Work on the fillet weld. Oh yeah, lovely ugly welds. I just thought of something. I've got these little pieces of scrap. I wonder. Stick that in there. That's disgusting, but it is there. Wonder if I can actually burn it loose. Yeah, I know y'all are all laughing your asses off. That's alright, so am I. It's fun always trying something weird. Oh well. Getting too short anyway. Well, let me get my cutoff wheel and grinder, whatever. Knock that off. Cutoff wheels. There's my cutoff wheels. Put my eyes back on. That's real smart, Jeff. Grind right by the power cord. Small safety tip, always unplug your grinder before you decide to change the wheels. Just have it there. Watch out for flying sparks. Works better if you plug it back in, Jeff. It went that away. All right. Oh yeah, that's nice and ugly. Eventually I'll save up enough money to get me one or two more grinders so I don't have to keep changing wheels. I guess y'all want to see the wheel, see my really ugly welds before I grind them down. So, I can bring you over here. And show off my really poor welding skills. That one was, globs and globs and globs. Of course, when you're trying to fill at least an 1/8 inch of gap, what can I say? Well, I think that's about all the welds I'm going to show you until I get ready to use my new toy wherever I put it and clean them up. So that's it for now. Well, I put on this Diablo Steel Demon wheel, and although I've already done a few others, let me show you that one and my one with the really blown out hole. And anyway, that one's the nicest of my poor welds, but let me show you what this thing does. That was just 2 quick passes, and well, I don't know if you can see how well you can see that. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Come on. I mean, that is incredible. And it just knocked all the ridges off and ate into everything else. I don't think I've ever used a little flappy disc that was that aggressive, but any welders, I suggest you buy one of those. You're going to Somebody once told me that a grinder is a welder's best friend. That is my new best friend. Well, there it is, all put together. I just used some primer to cover up the bare metal where I'd been welding and grinding and well, not all of it. I missed a few spots, but the majority, the big stuff. I haven't quite decided what color to paint it. It'll take a little bit of work to get it all cleaned up and primed and ready to paint. But I've considered painting it the same color as the lathe, which is that bright red that Harbor Freight uses. But that's it for now.